Rolling the dice and another 5 cent coin roll here. Not that I'm risking anything because I just take all these coins back to the bank and cash them back in at face value. So I'm only holding on to coins that are worth more than 5 cents. So let's see how we go. We'll start at this end and we'll look through all these coins and we'll try and find some things that are rare and valuable. Some can be worth thousands of dollars, so it can be worthwhile taking your time and searching through these coins. And I will definitely tell you if I find anything here, but stay tuned for the search. Okay, some errors. 2021, about $1 to $2 are some recent selling prices on a 2021, but I've got a lot of them already, so I'm letting those ones go. Unless they're in perfect condition, I might sort of hold on to them, but I do have a lot in perfect condition already, so all right. 2001 coins can have a flamingo error, so I'm going to be flipping those over if I do happen to find a 2001, and I think I will. I've got a feeling that a 2001 will show up, so let's stay tuned for that. Ooh, we haven't got many opportunities left though. That's all that's left. Let's see what we got. Come on, there we go. All right, so 2001, checking for a flamingo area, looking for a little bit of extra metal off the bottom of the 5, and it's not there on that one. But it's good to have that chance. 1970, that's not too bad a condition for a 1970, although a bit of dirt over that side of the coin. Oh, I should flip all the coins over. You can have a double on both sides. So you can have 2 echidnas, and they can be worth a lot of money, up to $1,120. And sometimes you can have 2 of the Queen's Head, so a Queen's Head on this side and the other side. It's actually a 2007 coin that you're looking for, those Queen Heads on both sides, and they can be worth thousands of dollars too. So yeah, so what are we looking at? Some selling prices between $990 and $2,300 are some recent selling prices on a 2007 double header. But unfortunately, that one's not. Cool. Good luck with your searches.